Prompt continuously checks your pump room conditions in real time. It receives inputs like pressure, reservoir level and battery status, and 50 plus output parameters on your fingertips. Pressure levels are checked, whether low, normal, or high. If the pressure drops below the safe limit, a signal is sent to the prompt system. Similarly, other parameters such as reservoir level and battery status are also continuously monitored and sent to the prompt system. If the battery level goes below the safe limit, prompt immediately sends an alert to the dashboard as shown on the screen. These are only a few examples. Prompt continuously monitors over 50 plus pump room parameters.